Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these large XOXO letters out of very simple material. So before we get started, I would like to ask if you can hit that red subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I started out with some paperboard, and it actually has three types of paperboard: a very thin one, a medium thick one, and a very thick one, and this is the thickest one that I could find. I sectioned out the paperboard into 4 sections, and then in 2 of the sections I drew an X, and in another 2 I drew an O. You can also do love as well with the actual O or a heart. After I drew the letters out, I measured to make sure everything was as equal as possible. It is very simple and very easy, very quick as well. I then took my X-Acto knife and a ruler at a point in time, and then I began cutting out the letters. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and occasional videos for collabs and challenges either on those days or other days. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family because it really helps me out a lot. So I just continue cutting the letters out, and as I said, this paperboard is really thick, so I had to score it first and just continue scoring until it was completely clean. And I did take my time to do this spot. It's very simple, it's very quick, very easy, very affordable, and it looked absolutely gorgeous on my outdoor walls. Once I had each of the letters cut out, I then began to paint. I did 2 colors. You can use whatever colors you choose. You can also stain this if you feel like it. I used white paint, white acrylic paint, and also somewhat of a dark pink chalk paint and white acrylic paint, and also red acrylic paint. I just took some computer paper and I placed the letters onto it, and I just added the paint and used a foam brush and painted each of the letters. I did 2 pink and 2 red, but I really wanted more of a lighter pink, so I added the white with the dark pink. And I did 2 coats of these, and I allowed it to dry completely. Once they were completely dried, I took some double-sided heavy-duty tape and I placed a few pieces to the back of it, and I stuck them onto the wall. And that's the end of this project, friends. And I absolutely love how this turned out. I think I will be doing something similar for Easter as well, or spring. So stay tuned for that, and I would see you in the next one. Bye guys.